All right, Year 11. So these are some of the worksheets I've given you to work on today. And I wanted to go through some of the different measures of concentration and how to calculate them. So I'm going to do 3 of the questions in different videos just so you can watch and step through how to do them. All of these work on that same basic principle that concentration is your mass over the volume. This could also be a mass. So it's kind of still working on your solute over your solvent. That's the key idea that all of these have in common. So firstly, the one we have here is we have 25 grams of fertilizer and we dissolve that in 75 grams of water. What's the concentration of this solution? And it asks us to do it in grams per litre, and then down here, weight per weight. So grams per litre is they're going to be different in the way that the answer comes out and how you calculate it. In this case, you've got your grams is 25 grams of fertilizer, so that's your solute. And you have 75 grams of water. Now, we assume that 1 mil of water equals 1 gram of water equals 1 mil of water, okay? And with that, then we know if we have 75 grams of water, we have 75 mils of water. And that's because water's density is 1 gram per litre. So with 75 mils, we actually need that in litres, and so we know that, to continue up here, that would equal 0.001 litres. Okay, so divide by 1,000. 1, 2, 3, so it's 0.075 litres. We need to use this and we need to use this. Now we have litres and grams, so the concentration is equal to 25 divided by 0.075. And then our answer simply is 333 grams per litre. Okay, that's easy. A is pretty straightforward like that. Very much related to what we've been doing so far. So the second part of this, I'm going to move it down. I don't need such a big working area there. I'm going to make it smaller and put a new workspace underneath. All right, so for this one, let's put another drawing canvas in. So for this one, we need to remember our solute was 25 grams and our solvent was 75 grams. But because this is a percentage weight per weight, it's not weight of one per weight of the other. In this case, it's looking at the mass of the whole solution. So it's not by mass of solvent here. This mass, the weight, and we're assuming weight and mass are the same here because we're on Earth. So we're saying the weight of solution, not just solvent. Okay, so the mass of solution is equal to 25 grams plus 75 grams. Okay, so you have to add those, which is of course 100 grams. Okay, we don't need to convert this to litres. So that's 75 grams of water, but we're not actually looking at a volume here. We're looking at mass per mass of the solution. So in this case, yeah, just a reminder, weight equals mass in chemistry, okay, because of gravity is the same. All right, so we've got our mass of solution. So basically, we do our percentage. So concentration is our solute, 25 grams, divided by 100 grams times by 100. That is basically what that's asking you to do. So we know then that would be 0.25 times 100, just breaking it down. So 25%. So in this case, this mixture back here, let's do red. Okay, so 25. Wait, still not red. Why is it not red? Sorry, I'm still getting used to Sunlight Keys. Right, there we go. Well, all right, 25% there. And if I come back up here, now what's wrong? There we go. So you'll notice that the 25 grams of fertilizer in water is equal to 333 grams per litre. But if we go down and we look at it as a percentage, weight per weight, it's only 25%. Okay, so they're comparing the different examples of how to calculate these.